Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Wi-Fi and keeping mobile data active so the device can fall back if train Wi-Fi is weak. Once done, plug-in or ensure battery is sufficient because searches and captive portals drain power faster than casual browsing. Make sure you have a quick payment method or your carrier login ready, since many trains use paid or carrier-authenticated hotspots. Doing these steps first saves time and prevents dropped sessions when the train rolls through weak coverage zones. You now scan available networks and select the SSID matching the train operator or an obvious onboard name. After connecting, a captive portal often appears. Accept terms and either sign in with carrier credentials or purchase the session. While signing in, use a VPN for any sensitive logins because onboard networks are shared and less secure. If the portal fails to load, try opening an unsecured HTTP page to trigger it, and make sure cookies and pop-ups aren't blocked in your browser. You finish by stabilizing the connection. Move toward the center car where antennas cluster, close background apps, and reduce streaming quality to lower bandwidth. If speeds lag or the portal won't authenticate, toggle Wi-Fi or briefly switch to airplane mode, then reconnect to force a fresh lease. For repeated failures, tether to your phone hotspot or ask the conductor to report the router. Operators can often reboot equipment. Remember this single troubleshooting tip. Restarting the Wi-Fi interface usually clears captive portal and address conflicts fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.